In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to use an application called Aviary. In our project, one of our first things that we're going to do is take a walking tour of Over the Rhine, and I hope that includes taking some photographs, and this is a photo editing software. What you can do is just go to aviary.com. It's a free software, or you can upgrade for a price, but it is a free photo editor software to begin with. And you can go to drag photos, or you could upload photos from your computer, and that's what I'm going to do here. I've picked some pictures of Washington Park, which is part of Over the Rhine, and I'm going to start with a before picture. This is Washington Park before the renovation of Over the Rhine. In the background is Cincinnati Music Hall. You can see it's mostly just parking lot, a couple of things. Over here there's no playground equipment, very limited green area. But what I want to show you about the software is you can do lots of different things with it. You can use effects. Let's just click some classic effects here. You can do this really cool effect if you want to show perhaps that the park was not in a great place. You can change it to black and white. You can do a sepia tone, all different kinds of colors, make it pretty vivid, or a soft focus if you want to use those kinds of enhancements. You can add frames to your photos. When you click on these, it'll change actually the photo frames or add frames. You can do overlays. So when we do overlays like this, they'll make different kinds of enhancements to your photos. But these are kind of fun. Of course, you can change the orientation. You can flip the photo a certain number of degrees. You can crop them. You want to just focus on a particular area, or resize them. So I'm going to go ahead and X out of this one and add a new photo. This is what Washington Park looked like during construction. And I like a couple of the applications on here. You can get rid of blemishes. Maybe you want to get rid of this antenna in the background. You can just do that with this little marker. Or perhaps you want to get rid of the church spire, or maybe something in the background over here, which is kind of cool. If you want to focus on one particular part of the renovation, you can use this tool. If you want to draw, you can choose a brush size and a color, and actually maybe circle a particular building that you want to focus on when you're talking in your presentation. I think I showed vignette before. I like this one too, splash of color. So you can choose one building and color it for emphasis if you want to pinpoint one particular building. I'm going to add one more photo here, and this is what Washington Park looks like now that it's completed. So you can see lots of, here's Music Hall again that I showed you before, lots of changes from this old parking lot, lots more green space, a lot more friendly things to do for kids. And another thing you can add is text. You can just say this is Washington Park. Or another focus feature that a lot of students are using now are memes. You can say Washington Park after gentrification. You want to use that. So this is kind of a fun tool that you can use for your presentation just to enhance some of the photos. I hope you are going to take some photos with this to utilize in your presentation. Again, it's just Aviary, aviary.com, and it is a free software, and I hope you use it and enjoy it.